Oh man, the view always looks amazing. Good morning, come on. Which means we're gonna have something for tonight. But before, and you can see the television when it bought up the way and see Kisiyat atlanalnini ipasaniani. Kimataqarsimaunga. She's leaving today om 2-3 timer. We need to retrieve that remote. So we're gonna do that. So how about we teleport right there? Okay, we got the charger to see how she's doing. Back at the crib, and but we're back at the crib. Ipasa vlog uploads up. Ipasa ikusing tayo ng boy tayo pasok sa killinarlita. But ultimikusussaso ipasa really ipasa. Unana kandidaate vlog uploads on the Kiisami uploads I could. That ipasa. Why am I talking so much about yesterday? Aviaq good to sang around, but okay, Aviaq I just can't wait. Where's Aviaq? Aviaq! Is that you, Aviaq? Is that you? Aviaq! Is that you, Aviaq? Are you down there? Aviaq! Kambarata, she was giving birth a human life. Then the photo shoot. So today she has time. She has no plans. Aviaq! And whoa, look at that! Look at that! Focus, damn it! Yeah, there we go. She didn't know not sure. So that's our agenda. And we got nothing else to do. Let's do some things. Okay? We got Vloggi, YouTube. Alright, Aviaq, which is in a minute. Yay, she's here.
Yes.
Hello, he's here. So how's the photo shoot going on?
I love it. New fan.
So there's the picture.
Oh.
We were just talking about you.
If word you.
What were you talking
Working about? Well, we were just talking that we were, I don't know, we wanted to see you. He's going to make pancakes and I'm like, I'm gonna have New Year's party with her, and although you're saying that you're not gonna party.
I don't know if I'm gonna party.
What?
Bullshit.
Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
Sorry. Safe trip.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
So that was Aviaq photo shoot aboard. Nuannisaqaangut almost broke my equipment. So are you going to sit there? So tell me what you like in the comment section below. That's a tradition. That's a 7-year-old tradition. We're gonna make something for tonight. And as you can see from the ingredients, we're gonna make something incredible. So that's the wrap up for today. Photo shoot. Was it today? Yeah, and we did the Pancake Thursday thing. So a lot of productivity.